Steven, this is your classic Mesa Boogie rack setup with your 5050 and a studio preamp enclosed in a rack case. Beautiful little rig, but it's giving you some trouble. So this is what we are talking about. Let's get this going. This is the rhythm or clean mode. So let's switch to lead mode. And observe. That buzzing is a open jack. So the lead drive is creating a lot of drama. And that same noise in unamplified terms is present on the rhythm channel. So I'll get these removed from the rack case and I'll focus on the studio. We'll take it from there.